Hello creative mind, welcome home. I am Survival and today I will be showing you how to create videos using Plotagon. In the last class I showed you how to create a character using Plotagon, and I believed you did your assignment. You were able to create at least 5 characters. So today we'll be using those characters you created in the assignment I gave you in the last class to make a video animation in Plotagon. So without wasting much time, let's get to work. So my Plotagon app just finished loading. So the first thing we need to do is to click on create video. So my create video is still loading. So it's still loading. Okay, so now that we clicked on it, there are a lot of things we can do on this field. The first one now is that we can change the background where we are making this video. So now this is how we do about it. When you click on this option, just take a look. You see bus stop bench. You just click on it. It gives you a lot of options about the backgrounds you can use in making your video. This is the current background in the video. These ones are the free ones you can use. And then we have some that you have to pay in order to get. All these ones that are having baskets, you have to pay to get them. So we'll be using the free ones. Okay, so something like this. So we'll go for something like this computer background. So it's loading. So now one thing you need to know about backgrounds, there are backgrounds that can take one person only. That is this wall backup, or anyway I'll show you. There are backgrounds that can take 2 characters, and there are backgrounds that can take more than 2 characters. But even if a background takes more than 2 characters, only 2 characters will be active in the background. So now let's try this out. So with this now that we've gotten a background, you click on this no actor in order to select maybe an actor. Okay, so now I'll select this one, which is a staff. Okay, so now after selecting it, you need to position the actor where the actor will be. So we have behind the chair, and then on the chair. If I click on this chair now, the actor will be seated on the chair. So you can see it. So now I want to add a second actor to it because this background can take more than one actor. So I'll click this no actor again, and maybe I'll take this one we created for our tutorial. So which is tutorial. I'll just click it. You see, it's showing red here because it's having the option of sitting on the chair, and we already have somebody sitting on the chair, so 2 people cannot be using that same seat. That's why it's displaying red. So I will select behind and the actor will appear, and this is balanced. So that is how you put in actors there. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on this one that is having something like a word icon. That is from where you start putting their speech. So I'll click on it. So when you click on it, it will ask you why it's showing this no actor. Is it needs to know who you want to speak. I mean, which of the actors you want to speak. So you can select just between the two. So let's take the tutorial. So now, what do you want her to say? So we'll just put in something like hi. So I'll put something like hi. So that's all. So now after putting that's hi, you know there is a behavior, there are a lot of actions you might want her to display while saying the hi. So I'll is currently on neutral. So there are all these things are actions that she might use in saying the hi. So let me just use this super excited. So this is the super excited. Let's play it to see what it will look like.
Hi.
You see, she is excited while saying the hi. So now I want this man to reply. So this is it. Okay, then the staff. Then his reply will be hello. Okay. And then what action? I think I want him to say it using a very neutral action. So I'll go with neutral. Neutral is okay. So let's play it and see what it will look like.
Hello.
Okay, so we start from the beginning.
Hi. Hello.
So that's it. So with this noun, I'm not teaching you everything. As you explore this app, you'll be able to grasp it. You just create yours the way you want it. I'm only showing you the basics. So this is how you get them talking. So the next thing I will need to show you is this. You know, in movies, there are different scenes. So this one might be scene 1. Okay, now let me create another scene. To create another scene, you use this thing that is just below here, just a little bit above where my webcam is. So you just click it to add a new scene. So I'm adding a new scene now. Let me look for a scene that can take more than 2 persons, so that I will also show you what it looks like. All these ones take only 2 persons. I need the one that will take more than 2. Okay, need the one that will take more than 2. Okay, I think this classroom can take more than 2. So I just put classroom. If you notice now, is having no extras. No extras simply means maybe you want just 2 of your actors to be there. Just note, only two of your actors can be talking in a particular scene. It doesn't accept more than 2. But you can actually put in other actors. They will be there, but they will just be minding their business. So now, no extras means you are only having 2 actors in this scene that can take more than 2 actors. But when you put extras, it gives the option, that is, it allows you to have other people just in the background. So now I'm having with extras. So now those are the extras. And then there are other things again. Extras can be attentive and can be non-attentive. Non-attentive, they'll be minding their own business. Attentive, they seem to be a kind of responding to the discussion or something like that. So I'm using attentive. Now with this no actor again, you can choose, we are on a new scene, you can decide to use other actors. You can as well decide to use the actors you used previously in the last scene. So now let me use different actors. I want to use this Lorenzo. Okay, and I will want to again use I want to use this guy. Okay, let me use this tutorial since it's what we created for this tutorial. So now their position, I want them to, okay, where should I position them? Okay, Lorenzo should be at the teacher's desk. Okay, something like this. And then I want tutorial to be at, should I say TV left, TV right? Okay, let me use TV left to see what it will look like. Okay, something like this. So you see, we've created another scene now. We are having a entirely different scene now. So the first scene was, I think I've forgotten where it was, but this one now is in the classroom. The first scene can only take 2 persons. but this second scene can take more than 2 persons. That's why you are seeing people in the background. So with this again, you can get them talking. When you click it, you click on no actor. You choose the actor you want to talk, that you want the actor to talk. Okay, let me use that same hi again. This is hi. Then the action, there are a lot of actions, so try to go through all these actions to know the one that is most appropriate for for your for your video. Okay, then I want to put again hello, which is now this person replying. So now I want tutorial now to reply. Okay, I will put sir, just a simple sir. And then the action that I will be putting again, which action should I use? Okay, let me use okay, okay, my phone is hanging a bit. Okay, let me use should I say shaking fist or something like that? Okay, so now let's play it so that you can get a hint of what this looks like.
Hi. Sir.
So this is how you get to make you can keep adding words and words and words. That's how you make your videos. So now, apart from this, there are other things you can also do in this app. First is to add sound to it. So this is sound. I've downloaded almost all the sound. That's why mine is this long, but you can as well download yours. Okay, let me just put this siren aid, something like that. Okay, and you can as well add music to yours. You see mine, I already have a lot of music here, but I am actually not using it because I do my editing with another app. So after this tutorial, I will also introduce you to video editing and how I do my editing. And in the video editing, I'm able to remove this Plotagon logo and then to do a lot of other things to this animation. So this is where you add your music, and this is how you create different scenes on Plotagon. So let's play it again from the start and see what it looks like.
Hi. Hello. Hi. Sir.
So it's just something like that. So you keep writing, putting in words, and then getting them to talk. That is how you do it. And then the siren. Okay, and then again, when you want to delete, you just click on these three dots. When you click on this X, it deletes it. When you click on this down arrow, it pushes this section down. When you click on this upper arrow, it pushes it up. So I'll use this upper arrow so that we hear the sound of the siren. Okay, so now the siren is up. Okay, so let's play this again.
Hi. Sir.
I believe you could hear the siren. It didn't play because it was at the tail end, but when I pushed it up, it played. So that is all the basics you need to know about Plotagon and how you can create your cartoons and how you can get them to talk, how you can change their actions while they talk, how you can create scenes. You can use as many scenes as possible, up to 10 scenes or even more. And you can also use as many characters as possible. But note, before you use any character, you must have created the character before you started the video. So before you start the video, you need to sit down, know the characters you need for the videos, you create them, and then before you start making your videos. So for your assignment, I want you to make videos like that are like 3 minutes long. 3 minutes long videos using a lot of actions and different scenes. So sorry, I forgot. When you are done making your animation, to save it, this is where you click on this upper arrow here, this thing that is having arrow here at the top right of your screen, and then when you click it, you click on render. So now it will ask you to export with subtitles or export without subtitles. If you export with subtitles, as the animation plays, there will be a write-up of what the animation is saying just below it. If you export without subtitles, the animation will be playing without no write-up of what is playing below it. So I will render and export with subtitles. So it's already rendering my video. So it's rendering and the video will soon be ready. So it just finished rendering. So it's giving me option on how to share it. So now I can save it either to share it on WhatsApp, on Canva, on whatsoever. But the best way to do it is to share it using the save to gallery. So with this, it will save to your gallery. So we'll give it a name. Okay, we'll call it tutorial. And then we save it. So after saving it, we then click on done. And with that, we are done. We are through making the video. So that's how you make video. Okay. So let's go and look for it in our gallery. So this is the video in my gallery. So this is what it looks like.
Hello. Hi. Sir.
So you can actually make a lot of cool videos from it. I'm just showing you the basic things you need to know about it. So just explore the app and then make longer videos, longer and interesting videos. So that's all you need to know about making 3D animation on Plotagon. So in our next section of the training, I'll be showing you how you can remove the Plotagon advert at the end of the video, and then the Plotagon logo. All of them can be edited and removed using some video editing apps. So that's all for now. The next class, I'll still be showing you how to make other types of animation, 3D presentation, whiteboard animation, logo animation, and all others. So see you next class. Thank you and God bless you.